Share screen, share screen. Bukan sama saya, sama host. Host di share screen dulu terus. Share screen. Share screen. Aku balik lagi ya. Itu tulisannya dibaca apa sih? And be direct to the material. Itu judulnya. Ya, judulnya. Supaya aku lah. Mulai. Dimulai. Meetingnya apa ya? Sempat meetingnya apa ya? Raisa. Jadi gitu. Sing dia kan presenter berbaca dia langsung wis langsung dari macam materi kan. Ya kan? Berbaca dia. Kan presenter macam dia. Tapi langsung baca materi kan. Iya. Terus langsung baca materi kan. Ya dimulai. Bosnya lah. Iya. Sudah itu hostnya mulai dulu. Semuanya diam dulu.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tes mikrofon, moderator and presenter.
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, the song comes. To shorten the time, I just direct it to the moderator, please.
Thank you for the time given. Previous, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before that, introduce myself. My name is Rizky Fajar Ramadan as the moderator at this weekend event with
where in this room I work closely with the host. This host is Amanda and the presenter who will be explain the material is time. Merti Okwardo. For the participant and audience who join in the room, please do not turn on the microphone. If something is on, please the host can turn it off. Just shorten the time. I will give the presenter time to explain the material of the topic. For presenter, please welcome.
Thanks for the
Thanks for the
moderator.
moderator
Who
who
give
give
me
me
the
the time to
time to
deliver to
deliver the
material with the
material
time
public
public
speaking.
speaking.
That's
That's
all
all I
can say
can say
about
about
for
for
the
the
next
next
season
season,
which I
which I
written the
written the
moderator.
moderator.
Public speaking.
Public speaking.
Hello, I am
Hello, I am
Mertio
Merdio
Cardo.
Cardo. I am here because
What is public
what is
speaking?
public speaking?
Was our
Was oral
communication
communication
done in
done in
person or
person
the
or the
present
present
of a group
of a
of
group
people?
of people?
Examples of
Example
public
of
speaking
public speaking
activities
activities
are when
are
we
when we
present in
present
front
in
the
front the
class
class
or give a
or give
speech.
a speech.
What is public
What is public
speaking?
speaking?
Public speaking
Public speaking
is a soft
is a
skill
soft skill
that use
that
build
use build
engagement or
engagement or
relationship with
relationship with
audience.
audience when the
Communication.
communication in public.
Why is
Why
public
is public
speaking
speaking
improve?
improve?
Tips
Tips
improve your
improve
sense
your sense
confidence.
confidence.
Stop
Stop
comparing
comparing
with the
with
other
the other
first.
first.
I
I
tell you
tell you
that life
that life
is not
is not
competition.
competition.
2.
Two, in good in a healthy
Lifestyle and
lifestyle
self-care.
and self-care.
3.
Three,
And I
and
study
I study
alternate
alternate
good scientific
psychiatric
disease and
disease
treatment
and
regular.
treatment regular.
What is
What is
foster
foster
leadership?
leadership?
Foster
Foster
leadership is
leadership is
confidence, make you
confidence, make you
brave enough
brave
to
enough
do
to do
anything
anything
around us.
around us.
Confidence
Confidence
becomes
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 passion
passion for
for
you
us to
to
perform well.
perform
So
well.
this
So
give
this gives
the
the
optimistic
optimistic to
attitude
attitude
toward
toward
getting ahead.
getting ahead.
If we
If we
if
if
we open
we
up
open
the
up the
doors,
doors,
then
then
everyone else
everyone
will
else
do
will do
the
the
attitude toward
attitude
getting
toward
ahead.
getting ahead.
If we
If we
open up
open
the
up the
others,
others,
the everyone else
everyone
will
else
do
will do
opposite. If
opposite. If
we are shut
we are
off
shut off from others,
other may
other may
views as
choose
arrogant.
as arrogant.
To be
To be
being
being
open to
open to
others.
others.
The network
The
of
network
friendship
of
we
friendship
have
we
also
have
expanded.
also expanded. How to improve public speaking skill?
Trading.
Trading.
Feeling
Feeling nervous when going forward in public is a natural thing to experience.
positive thinking
Positive
and
thinking and
confidence.
confidence often
Of
often harm a person
speaking
before
in
speaking
public
in public
with negative
with
thoughts,
negative talks,
such
such
as
as
a
a
fear
fear
of
of
making
making
mistakes.
mistakes.
How the
How
public
the
thinks
public
of
thinks
fear
of fear
ridicule
ridicule
push that
push that
negatively
negatively to
ne-
to away and start thinking positive.
Negative thinking
Negative
will
thinking
only
will
make you
only
look
make you look
nervous, while
nervous,
the
while
public
the public
prefer the
prefer the
confidence.
confidence.
Understand the
Understand the
audience.
audience.
Remember
Remember,
when
when
you
you
speak in
speak in
public, you
public,
are not
you are not
talking
talking
about
about
yourself,
yourself, but
but
about about your audience there. Or
first
first
understand
understand who
the
will the
audience will
audience
come
will
to
come
us
towards
training.
training. Practice
Style.
body and style. Apart
Verbal
from verbal
communication,
communication, non-verbal
non-verbal
communication is
is
also important to pay attention to
in
in public speaking, according to very well meant the communication of facial expression and gesture and body movement is important.
The public
The public
cares more
cares more
on
on
not
not
not lead
not lead
the
the reset
people
people
to look
to look
at
net is
not
not
necessary
necessary expensive
and
clothes and accessories
with enough
with enough
of
knowledge of
the
the and
mix.
match mix. You can make yourself presentable
And
and
attractive by
attractive by
checking
taking advantage
of the
of the
clothes
clothes
and
and
accessories
accessories
in your
stored in
wardrobe.
your wardrobe.
The
The
come
can appearance we will only create the public distraction,
even though
even
the
though
content
the
of your
content of your
speak is
speak is
incredible.
incredible. Next,
Top
type,
type of
type
public
of
speaking.
public speaking.
Ceremonial
Ceremonial
speaking.
speaking.
What
What
is
is
ceremonial
ceremonial
speaking?
speaking?
Ceremonial
Ceremonial
speaking was
speaking
a
was a
speech that
speech
took
that
place
took
on
place on
official
official
occasion,
occasion,
such as
such an inauguration,
the
the commemoration
of the
of
great
the
day
great
and
day
the
and
wedding
the
speech.
wedding speech.
Then
Then
the
the
next
next
demonstrative
demonstrative speaking.
speaking.
Demonstrative speaking is a
From
form a
meant
speech meant to
convey
convey
information.
information.
The
The
speaker may
speaker may propose to
each an
each an audience about a technique, a tip, or how accomplish something.
such
Such
a
a
teacher
teacher
when
when
teaching a
teaching a
class.
class.
Next we
Next, we
can
can
discuss
discuss
persuasive speaking.
persuasive speaking.
Persuasive
Persuasive
speaking
speaking
spec
speak
is
is
particular kind of
particular
speak
kind of speak
in which
in
the
which
speaker
the speaker
has the
has the
goal
goal
gratifying his
gratifying his
audience
audience to embrace his public
viewpoint
viewpoint
on
on the speaker trying appeal to change
his little
his little opinion about in
idea or
idea
product.
or product.
Next,
Next,
informative
informative
speaking.
speaking.
Informative
Informative
speaking
speaking is
informative talk
informative talk
many
many
centered
centered conversation
people,
about people,
even
even process, places, or things.
the
The
speaker told
speaker
an
tells an
audience
audience
about
about
one
one
of the
of
object.
the object.
Take
Take
presentation in a
presentation in a
affirmation
affirmation speech.
The
The
speaker
speaker outlines certain topics supported by facts. Some
of
of
the
the
informative
informative types
of
of public
speaking
speaking were business presentation.
This
This congratulation and lecture and material presentation in class.
thanks.
Thanks. Any question?
Okay, thank you to the speaker of for presenting the material very well, and of course, for that, let's continue with the question and answer session. I open I open the question and answer session from the first term for the participant and audience who want to ask question. Please write down your question in the chat column so that the room remain conducive. Any question, guys? Okay, from Tika Mila. How about tips so that we are not nervous during the presentation? Presenter, please your answer.
Mm,
Mm,
I think
I think some negative talks prefer the material carefully, practice before speaking, and often apparently focus on yourself. Yes, I think about it.
Okay, thanks for presenter. Thank you for the question as well. I will try to answer question whatever the answer whatever us can accept answer I turn to do. Good for all participants in Ficom room at this time since the time for the Ficon has run out. I will close the Ficon this time. Previously, I apologize if when I delivered my program there were many mistakes. Thanks enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.